In the rolling hills where the Girona breeze blows, in a village of stone where the history grows, there's a call in the air, a gathering light, and the banners of Lloseta are fluttering bright. Leave the rush of the city, leave the noise of the street, where the art of the maker and the traveler meet. Oh, come to the fair, where the leather is gold, where the stories of fathers and grandfathers are told, stitch by stitch, soul by soul. The heart of the craftsman is making us whole. Step into the rhythm, step into the flair, at the wonderful, magical Lloseta Shoe Fair. Can you smell the rich tannin? Can you see the deep brown? The finest of hides in this little old town. There's a hammer that beats like a heart in the chest, as the master puts every last detail to test. From the curve of the heel to the toe of the shoe, something timeless, something honest, something brand new. Oh, come to the fair, where the leather is gold, where the stories of fathers and grandfathers are told, stitch by stitch, soul by soul. The heart of the craftsman is making us whole. Step into the rhythm, step into the flair, at the wonderful, magical Lloseta Shoe Fair. The world moves too fast and the machines, they all roar, but here we remember what the old ways were for. It's the touch of a hand, it's the eye of the art. A shoe isn't just leather, it's a piece of a heart. The plaza, share a glass of the wine, see the local designs in a beautiful line. From the boots of the worker to the elegance high, underneath the wide span of a Catalan sky, we're walking in history, we're walking in pride, with the spirit of Lloseta as our permanent guide. Oh, come to the fair, where the leather is gold, where the stories of fathers and grandfathers are told, stitch by stitch, soul by soul. The heart of the craftsman is making us whole. Step into the rhythm, step into the flair, at the wonderful, magical Lloseta Shoe Fair.